hand-built craftsmanship is an enduring quality of Crestliner boats, and one that ensures every boat is built right before it leaves the Crestliner facility. If you've already watched the factory walkthrough video, then you've met and seen some of the hardworking men and women dedicated to building the best. Using premium raw materials and exceptional designs, Crestliner boats are handcrafted for superior durability that lasts a lifetime. And now it's time to show you visual proof of the Crestliner Built Right promise. One great example of Crestliner's superior durability is an incredibly strong transom. Now, the transom is one of the areas where some of the greatest forces are at work. It's the structure that ties together Crestliner's 4X hull, and it's the focal point for the thrust delivered by today's high horsepower engines. Now, to ensure their transom is up to the task, Crestliner double welds their transom both inside and out. Now, competitive designs often weld just one side, opting to either stitch or partial weld the other. Now, what I have here are two examples of a transom. One, a single welded design, and the other, a double welded Crestliner transom. Now, they both may look strong from the outside, but it's what's on the inside that matters most. After cutting through the samples, the double welded version has no gaps in the seam and features a robust weld on both sides. Twice the weld for twice the strength. Just another example of how Crestliner boats are built right.